First tick on the index, down about 130 points, slipped below that 20,000 mark. So up until now, the last few days, the Nifty was holding on to 20,000 with ease. Now it's come off a little bit, slipped below that level, but still pivoting around at that 20,000 mark. The top loser on the index is HDFC Bank, down about 2%, a slip below that 1,600 level, followed by Hindalco, BPCL, Eicher Motors, M&M and Hero Motorcorp. For the auto stocks, I think it's just a little bit of profit taking because these are stocks that are sitting at fresh record highs, the likes of M&M, etc. So some bit of profit taking over there. But otherwise, for the IT space as well, Infosys coming off a little bit. You have Reliance that's dragging its feet. So a lot of heavyweights are putting pressure on the market. The Nifty now with almost a 150-point cut on the index. Let's find out what's holding up in the green. Some of the pharma names, Cipla is up about 0.5%. You have L&T that's really been standing tall for this market in the last many weeks and months. L&T is now up about 0.2%. The other banks are not bad actually. ICICI Bank, Indices, Axis Bank actually holding up in the green. So it's just very specific to HDFC Bank, the issue today. Otherwise, the rest of the banking pack is not too bad. It's in flat terrain or holding up in the green. So for now, there's a peculiar problem that this market is facing, courtesy HDFC Bank, and hence it's a weak opening.
Well, that's right, Sonia. In fact, the Nifty Bank, the low of today was around 45,454. It's bounced off 170 points from the lows that we saw, just at the start of trade. So that's showing signs that it wants to move up. Let's see how that moves from here on. A couple of stocks, though, from the broader markets that are moving around. BL Kashyap, they won an order out there, so that stock's up close to 4.5%. JMR Par, well, that's been one of the big gainers. For this month itself, the stock is up more than 90%, and it's up close to 4.5% even in today's trading session. A couple of other big movers. You have NBCC, they won an order as well in there, so that stock is higher. BL Kashyap, NBCC, both of them on the back of order wins, they are moving up. Stocks that are giving back some part of what they put on. Genus Par is down 2.5%, so that stock seeing some selling. You have Strides Pharma as well, that's down close to around 2%. On the flip side, F&O, big gainers, you have Alembic Pharma that's up 4%, so big move being seen out there. Vodafone Ideas ended with a sharp cut in Monday's trading session. That's opened up in the green as well. But the market's a little bit under pressure. The Nifty is holding below that 20,000 odd mark. Let's see whether or not risk-reward will favor a buy at these levels. But for the time being, a weak start. Prashant.
Well, it is a weak start and 150 odd points down, as you said. Just take a look at a few other names before we go any further. Apollo Hospitals is the second largest loser, 2.5% lower. Mazgaon Dock is down 1.5% to begin the day. Cochin Shipyard is down 3%, so these shipbuilders are lower. Paytm is down about 1.7%, 1.8%. Indus Tower is down 0.86%. Remember, Idea ended about 6% down on Monday. There's Panacea Biotech, which is down another 2.5%. Narayana Hrudayalaya, which has done very well recently, by the way, that is down 1.8%. Cyient is down 1.9%. Cyient we highlighted with Rima earlier on. Lemon Tree, Balrampur Chini, Max Health are some of the others which are coming up. But, you go down the list, volumes thin out. So you have to keep that in mind. PSU banks, right? Look at IOB, Union Bank and Central Bank. Once again, like Monday, public sector banks are the top 3 gainers across the board. I think the index itself is higher, so the momentum continues. Despite the pullback that we saw in the last 30 minutes there, 0.25% higher in the Nifty PSU Bank Index on a day, at least where the start is lower overall. What else? GMR Power is up 4.5%. I can spot more PSU banks joining the list. IFCI is higher. Idea is up. Bharat Dynamics, that order 2.25% in the green. Karnataka Bank is up about 3% or so. And so on and so forth. So Dhanlakshmi Bank, which sold off on Monday, I think is coming up with about a 5% gain. So fair bit moving around, and I think more will as we go through the motions in the first 1.5 odd hours or so. I mean, without a date, the big pressure, of course, is coming from HDFC Bank at an index level, which is down about 2.8, 2.9% or so. The index is down 125 points as things stand.